Now we will see the topic types of redox reaction. तो redox reaction क्या है जिसमें reduction and oxidation is taking place simultaneously is called as redox reaction. Now we will understand the types, the different type of redox reaction. So types of redox reaction. These redox reaction are of following four types. The first one is combination redox reaction. So a reaction is said to be a combination redox reaction if the two elements or two molecules combine to give together a single substance. It's a combination, and during the combination reduction and oxidation would take place. So it's called as combination redox reaction. So a reaction in which two or more molecules combine to give a single product is called as a combination reaction. And if during this reaction the oxidation number changes for an atom, then it is called as combination redox reaction. So combination redox reaction means it should combine as well as there should be a change in oxidation number. That means there should be a redox reaction. Only then it will be a type of redox reaction. Now example we shall consider. I hope this is a very common example that you have learned in combination, that magnesium when you heat magnesium, you get magnesium oxide. It's a combination. Now let's say it's a combination redox reaction or not. Here magnesium is in zero state, oxygen also with zero oxidation number. But in magnesium oxide it is +2 and in oxygen -2. So the change of magnesium from 0 to +2, there is an increase in oxidation number. So it undergoes oxidation. Oxidation number is increased. Here it's 0 to -2. So oxidation number is decreased, it's undergoing reduction. So both the processes are taking place simultaneously. So it's a redox reaction and it is a type of combination redox reaction. Another example is carbon. When you heat, you get carbon dioxide. Carbon 0, oxygen 0, carbon dioxide, carbon 4 and oxygen -2. So the oxidation number of carbon increases, so it undergoes oxidation, and that of oxygen decreases, so it undergoes reduction. So it's again a combination redox reaction. These are the examples of combination redox reaction. Also, when you are having iron reacting with sulfur to get iron sulfide, Fe0, sulfur 0, Fe +2, S -2. So the oxidation number of Fe increases, thereby Fe is undergoing oxidation, and that of sulfur decreases, so oxidation number decreases, it undergoes reduction. So these are all combination, but these are redox also, combination redox reaction. Now the second type of redox reaction is a decomposition redox reaction. That means decomposition will occur, a big molecule will break down into smaller molecule, and it is a redox reaction. So a big molecule will break down and the reduction oxidation is taking place simultaneously. For example, water on electrolysis undergoes decomposition to give hydrogen and oxygen gas. In water, the charge of water H is +1, that of oxygen -2. In hydrogen gas it is 0, oxygen gas 0. So plus 1 to 0. So the oxidation number is getting reduced, that means it undergoes reduction. And oxygen from -2 it turns to 0. So the oxidation number is increased, it undergoes oxidation. So it's a redox reaction as well as it's a decomposition reaction. So it's a decomposition redox reaction. Another example could be the decomposition of sodium hydride. Sodium hydride, when you do the thermal heating, you get sodium and hydrogen gas. Sodium hydride, metal and hydrogen, H minus 1, metal plus 1. Sodium alone 0, H2 gas 0. So Na is changing from plus 1 to 0. The oxidation number 1 से 0 पे जा रहा है. So what is it doing? It is gaining electron or losing electron. Plus 1 to 0. There is a decrease in the oxidation number. So it undergoes reduction. Minus 1 to 0. What happens? It gains electron. Oxidation number increases and it undergoes oxidation. So it's a redox as well as it's a decomposition reaction. Another example is potassium chlorate, KClO3. On heating gives KCl and oxygen. So potassium plus 1 state Cl, you have to find out. It would be plus 5, oxygen minus 2. KCl, K plus 1, Cl minus 1, oxygen 0. So K is same in both the state. Cl is from plus 5 to minus 1 and this is minus 2 to 0. So minus 2 to 0, what happens is oxidation number is increasing. That means it undergoes reduction. And K is moving from plus 5 to minus 5. Sorry, it undergoes oxidation. And K is from plus 5 to minus 1. Oxidation number is decreased, so it undergoes reduction. प्लस 5 से माइनस 1 में आ रहा है तो ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर कम हो रहा है, रिडक्शन हो रहा है क्लोरीन का. तो KClO3 में Cl का तो हो रहा है रिडक्शन टू KCl एंड O जो था KClO3 के अंदर उसका हो रहा है ऑक्सीडेशन, इट टर्न्स टू ऑक्सीजन. सो दिस इज द डिकम्पोजिशन रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन. So it's a decomposition as well as a redox reaction. Now the third is a displacement redox reaction. So displacement means a more reactive metal displaces a less reactive metal from the solution is called as a displacement redox reaction. For example, zinc, when it is dipped in copper sulfate, we get zinc sulfate and copper. A very common example of displacement. Zinc being more reactive replaces copper sulfate से copper को हटा देता है. Zinc is in zero state. Copper में +2, sulfur +6, oxygen -2. Zinc again +2, sulfur +6, oxygen -2, copper 0. तो SO में changes नहीं है. Zinc is only changing to Zn2+ and copper ion is changing to copper. So oxidation state of copper is decreased, that is it undergoes reduction, and that of zinc oxidation number increases, so it undergoes oxidation. So zinc oxidized readily होता है, that means it's more reactive, and copper ion is readily gaining electron, it undergoes reduction. So this is a displacement redox reaction. Displacement भी है साथ साथ redox reaction भी है. Next reaction in this for the displacement redox reaction is the reaction of aluminium with Fe2O3. Aluminium being more reactive than iron displaces it and forms Al2O3 and Fe. Now to balance this is a reaction. So aluminium in zero state, Fe में Fe+3 में था, Al2O3 में Al+3 में है, O दोनों तरफ -2 है और Fe यहाँ 0 है. तो एल्यूमिनियम इज चेंजिंग फ्रॉम 0 to +3, यानी कि एल्यूमिनियम का ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर बढ़ रहा है, इट अंडरगोज ऑक्सीडेशन. एंड Fe फ्रॉम +3 चेंजेस टू 0, दैट इज ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर इज डिक्रीजिंग, इट अंडरगोज रिडक्शन. सो it is a displacement. Aluminium is displacing iron from the salt, so it's called as a displacement redox reaction. So a more reactive metal displaces the less reactive from its solution, so it's called as a displacement redox reaction. Next is chlorine and bromine, non-metal displacement. Chlorine is 0, potassium and bromine we have the state, potassium, chloride and bromine. So Cl is in 0, moves to Cl minus. So the oxidation number is reduced, it undergoes reduction. And Br minus is moved to 0, the oxidation number increases, it undergoes oxidation. So it's a redox reaction as well as Cl2 being more reactive than Br. It is displacing it and it is taking its place, so it's called as a displacement redox reaction. ठीक है, बट हर बार मेटल ही डिस्प्लेस करे ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है. दिस इज नॉन मेटल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. So this is the third type of redox reaction. And the fourth type of redox reaction is a new type called as disproportionation redox reaction. Now it's a reaction in which a single element has atoms in different oxidation state. एक ही atom है, एक ही element का, you have a single element but the atoms of that single element is in different oxidation state and that same element undergoes reduction and oxidation simultaneously. उसी का रिडक्शन हो रहा है, उसी का ऑक्सीडेशन हो रहा है, यानी कि वही एलिमेंट तीन डिफरेंट ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट में मिनिमम एग्जिस्ट करते हैं एक रिएक्शन के अंदर. एंड सच रिडॉक्स रिएक्शंस आर कॉल्ड डिस्प्रोपोर्शनेशन रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन. सो इट्स अ रिएक्शन in which the same species is reduced and oxidized simultaneously in the reaction. For example, we have the photolytic decomposition of hydrogen peroxide to water and oxygen. It takes place in presence of sunlight decomposition. Here hydrogen is in +1, it is peroxide, so O is in -1 state. Here in water H is +1, O is -2 and in O2 O is in 0 state. तो O जो -1 में था वो -2 में बदल रहा है, इलेक्ट्रॉन एक और गेन कर रहा है, तो ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर डिक्रीज, इट अंडरगोस रिडक्शन. और पेरोक्साइड जब सिर्फ ऑक्सीजन में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है, ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर इज इंक्रीज्ड, इट अंडरगोस ऑक्सीडेशन. तो ऑक्सीजन का ही रिडक्शन है, ऑक्सीडेशन का ही ऑक्सीडेशन हो रहा है ऑक्सीजन का. सो H2O2 itself is undergoing reduction and oxidation simultaneously, so it is called as a disproportionation reaction. And O is in -1, -2 and 0, three different oxidation state. So this is a type of redox disproportionation redox reaction. Another example that we shall discuss is the reaction of phosphorus in alkaline medium when it reacts with water. Here it's phosphorus changing to phosphine, PH3 and H2PO2 minus. ठीक है, and phosphor is in 0 oxidation state. Here it is in -3 state and here it is in +1 state. So when you find the oxidation only of phosphorus, oxidation state are being changed. Now when 0 state changes to -3, the oxidation number is reduced, it undergoes reduction. And when phosphorus from 3,4 changes to +1, the oxidation number increases and it undergoes oxidation. So phosphor ही तीन different oxidation state में है, so it's a disproportionation reaction of phosphorus. Another example is chlorine. When it is in basic medium, it turns to chloride and chlorate. So here chlorine is in 0 state, -1, और यहाँ पे chlorine +5. 0 से -1 oxidation number is reduced, it undergoes reduction. 0 to +5, oxidation number is increased, it undergoes oxidation. So simultaneous existence of a same element in 3 different oxidation state, it is undergoing reduction, it is undergoing oxidation. Such reactions are called as disproportionation redox reaction. So these are the type of redox reaction.